He's really good.
Oh, poor Expect. He even gets the counter pick, but picked right back into the J4 matchup. Is this a better matchup than Nar versus Jarvan?
It's less oppressive. That's the important thing, right? Jarvan
All of the ground in the mid lane is worked. Maybe difficult to sustain that push. Here comes the Cho'Gath, the knock up, the chain CC. The silence is going to come in next. Does manage to get the barrier off, but no chance to flash. Perkz is burning down. Bye-bye. That's the power of the Cho'Gath.
And that's the follow-up that we along with Jankos moving to the bottom side. They're either going for kills or this early tower.
Moving forward. odoamne going to move in, does get the slowdown. Now the TP is coming in. Mithy buying what time he can, but it may not be enough. Jankos moving forward. The silence going down. Trick, no opportunity to escape the flash forward. Nuclear on the aggressive. Sven moving forward. Oh, surprise, surprise! There's Febiven! That's going to be 2 kills picked up for H2K.
Side of G2 to propel the advantage that they needed in this early part of the map. The fact that this Kalista has fallen behind is so big, but now Febiven, he's extremely low.
Perkz running in, looking to get a little something back. May not have happened in the bottom lane, but he is set up now to get the kill. Flashes over the Dark Sphere. Quick little outplay there for Perkz in that mid. Was over the wall. H2K is here. 3 men strong, pulling the Cho'Gath.
Here comes the
forward.
Joe.
Keep your eyes on the Rupture. Trick is going to get knocked up. The silence is going to come in as well. No chance to body slam out. Goodbye, Trick. The chain CC, it's just a little bit too much.
Choo-choo, the pain train has arrived. Lane priority. So what you'll notice is Rumble, oh, he's actually not going to clear another wave. He's going to decide to go back, so he's ready for the TP play. He might even make his way there, but bot lane will be pushed. TP coming in.
Jankos maybe in trouble here. Rupture is going to go down, is going to hit 2. Che flashing out to safety. Jankos is still alive. Mithy is moving forward. He may have a lot of damage immunity, but true Cho'Gath can still lead through it. The fight is explosive. Sven going to throw him right back out. Bye-bye. Nice late night snack there coming in for Jankos. Now the double kill. The Cho'Gath is going off. odoamne may give his life, but he's not going to drop. Forced to burn a major cooldown there on the transition. Going to be very difficult if that Cho'Gath looks for a dive. Aggressive engage into the mid lane. Ulti comes out, but knocks right back. Beautiful seismic shove from Perkz.
Took the words right out of that fantastically. They didn't even need the ulti from Trick. And now the hook lands onto Sven.
Goes in. Knockback, chain CC, comes over the wall. What a combo. Jankos is still there. He's looking for the Devour. He's just going to give that one over to Nuclear. He's taking his time. Nom, nom, nom. Beef for dinner, folks. H2K going off, but now odoamne could be the man in trouble. Perkz running as best he can. Seismic shove knocks it back. G2 fire back with a kill of their own.
A point where they can have a bigger impact, but G2, they found another pick.
Che moving forward, looking to get Perkz. He's going to get the shutdown. Trick is almost out of mana. He can't actually kill the Thresh. Chain CC going. He just can't start it himself.
Don't face check, don't face check, don't face check.
Perkz. Oh, flash forward. There's too much CC. It does not matter if you block one spell. You are still doomed to die. Mid laner down. Massive
towards the Baron as it spawns in about 30 seconds. That's already a very low health tower. And they could look for a pick as well. They have a lot of tools around with the Ashe with the Thresh.
Rupture going to go down. Mithy in trouble, is pulled back by the Fate's Call, but Trick maybe the sacrificial lamb. The fight starts off. Febiven is locked down. G2 looking to get a kill back. Now Jankos knocked
this is
up.
good.
Not going to survive the tower. G2 looking to turn and burn, looking to bring it back. Waiting on the flag and drag.
You get a lot of bonus HP. Jankos' ultimate scales with bonus HP. I don't know if it'll help him here, though.
Gonna have to hold that thought. Perkz on the wrong side of the Weaver's wall. That could be disastrous for the fight to come. Mithy backing off. Jankos still does a lot of damage despite missing out on the stone plate. Arrow fired on the backside. odoamne on the front. He's gonna go golden. Mithy moves in to try to mitigate the team fight, but that is a fed Cho'Gath on the front line.
Beautiful hook.
But the hook saving the day for H2K. Could have been a bad fight, but they're gonna keep the ball.
Let's see if Trick can still save this for G2.
Could all come down to this. So much CC. Every member of H2K ready to interrupt Trick before he can get into that pit, but are they going to do it in time? Jankos is the Cho'Gath. He has the feast. He has the no feast, actually. Just the smite. Trick moving forward. Can he get it? Jankos going to take it down in the end. A close call. But H2K going to secure the Baron. Perkz has to be careful. Playing with fire right now. Running out of mana. Mithy may just have given his life for this contest. Is going to get taken down. H2K in absolute control.
I want to say that
finally getting a chance to itemize towards the QSS. Something to deal with the hard CC coming his way. But is it going to be too little too late? 10K gold advantage for H2K. Trick very much in trouble. Gargoyle Stone Plate plus the Feast. Not going to be needed quite yet. Weaver's Wall coming in. Jankos, what's the option? Who's on the menu? Who's he looking to kill? Hook does go over the wall. Are they going to go for Trick? Jankos knocked back to the middle of the team. Double kill dropping for Febiven. Now the fight's going to keep continuing. Moving forward, Sven is in trouble. Jankos backing off, giving him respect. Into that trade, because Jankos taking 50% health. Definitely not where he wants to be.
But
he is tanky.
All the ultis are still available for H2K. They have a minion wave.
Oh, nice engage from Trick. Now the team is knocked back, but Jankos is in the middle of everybody. Gargoyle Stone Plate. Who's he going to look to? Nam. It's going to be Trick. Goodbye. So much damage coming in, but now they're on the back foot. Jankos shut down. G2, they're not giving up another inhibitor. Trade in the end, jungler for jungler, but the super minions are on H2K's corner, and that could mean the end right here.
H2K, they're continuing to push. They have 4 members. I don't know if G2 have anything left.
Flag and drag, leaping forward. Gargoyle Stoneplay keeping Expect nice and healthy. Mithy in the middle of everything. Looks like he is just going to go down. Shay on a rampage. That is a bloodthirsty Thresh. Perkz has to flash out to safety. Smite doing 800 true damage. Feast doing 1,300. Oh, now the fight's going to get started off. Trick has been picked off. G2 had to come to fight for the Baron, but can they win the fight now?
Oh,
Going on the side, Odoamne looking for a little bit more opportunity on the back side. Mithy's been knocked up. They're trying to disengage. Sven's still alive and well, but he has to run. Jankos is looking to devour him. Is he going to have enough damage? Perkz, you cannot make it out of there. H2K crushing the fight, and it was grim from G2 to the start, but H2K just continued to execute.
Clean ace, 5-0, H2K. They find the dominant win over G2, and they're gonna find the game.
An incredibly dominant game coming in from H2K. They are gonna move in, they are gonna take down the Nexus, they are going to tie up the series and bring us to that game 3. And just a very, very different game.